Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to change the format of the temperature system on your iPhone. So basically iPhone already provided you with the weather application that can help you predict the weather, and you can also set the format of the temperature could be displayed on your iPhone. So how to do that? You just need to open your setting and scrolling down until you found this weather, and then you just need to go click them, and there will be like temperature unit over here. The iPhone already provided you with this two style of the temperature measurement, which is the Celsius and Fahrenheit. If you want to have the Celsius only, so you just need to go click the Celsius until this checklist button moved from your system setting into the Celsius one, and now your temperature measurement will be displayed in a Celsius. So that is the way how to change the temperature unit on your iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.